Diaspora Estate here in Centenary City, Enugu. Diaspora is one of the finest estates, in fact, in Enugu in general. See the type of houses that are being built here. The estate is a 500 square meter per plot. In fact, most of the plots are above 500 square meters. Most of them are above 500 square meters. They're quite big. Look at this building. Fine. It's beautiful. And the inter-road network is just amazing. Look at this. Electrification is going to happen very soon, by the first quarter of this year. The tarring too, as a matter of fact, the tarring hasn't gone on because of the construction going here. And so the estate management and also the resident community, they are saying that okay, they should just hold on a bit so that most of this construction will go on, because of the kind of construction that is going on, heavy equipment will be coming in, so that the asphalt will not spoil, before the construction finishes. But you can see serious work is going on. This person wants to start his building. This guy is almost about starting his building. This building is going on here, And to think that this estate is just about 2 years old, to show you how fast development is coming on in the Diaspora Estate. The good news is that there are a few plots remaining, but the bad news is that it's just a few. Okay, just a few. Look at that. The road network is good. The solid drainage systems, construction work is going on. No fear of Obonechagu, no all these other things that go on in this estate. This house is almost complete. Look at that. It's a penthouse. I think it's even a triplex. Look at that. Buildings going on. These are not those kind of estates that you'll be wondering why the development is not going on. There's serious development is going on here. Modern houses. The beauty about this estate is that Nigerians in diaspora are the ones building here. Alright, and so they're just kind of replicating what they have over there. So in a few years, 2, 3, 4 years, this estate is going to be super beautiful. Look at fine houses. You can see solid buildings, solid. And there are street lights here, as you can see. This is a street light, a solar street light. Electrification is going to happen first quarter of this year. You can see a few plots left here. There are a few plots left here. So call me now on 0809-673-7668. Happy New Year to everybody. Let's bring you for a free inspection here. This is a close. Okay, it's a gate. Here's another gate. Oh, nice. Second gate down there. Estate is properly planned. You can see the road network. Amazing stuff this way. Okay, amazing stuff. There are a few plots remaining here, so it's going to be a first come first serve base. They don't keep land for people. Land is not kept for people actually. As you pay, you get your own slots. As you pay, you get your own slots. The buildings, fine buildings down there. Diaspora Estate. This is in the heart of Centenary. The estate is currently going for 20 million naira a plot. And if you're paying outright, you're giving a discount of 18 for this new year. A new year discount of 2 million, so that's 18 million naira. Don't mind the bushes. But by this next week or next 2 weeks, they're going to be cleared. They're going to be cleared and you can see clearly. That's the admin block. Okay, you can pass here. This is admin, Abi. Yeah, this is the admin block of the estates. You can see. Let's just go around and take a look. This is the admin block. So this is where estate residents can also have their meetings and everything. and have their meetings here. So you can see, this is Diaspora Estate. These guys are building some twin duplex here. So go ahead and call me. Security here is on point, as there are armed security men here 247. So you have nothing to fear, because this place is secure. It's properly secure and guarded. So enjoy a good day. I'm expecting your call 00967376668, and let's discuss.